Welcome back to I Got It Out the Soil, and today I'm going to be just planting my seedlings here. It is November the 2nd. This bed is a 3x6, so I can plant quite a few crops just in this garden bed. I'll be planting some greens in this area. Y'all know how I do. I already got my fertilizer in my black gold over there, which is worm castings, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'll be filming it today. I'm about to do it right here. So I'm gonna pull most of this dirt out here. I ain't gotta go that much already. Alright, we got a rock. Pull this rock out now. Okay, hit a rock. Because in my soil, we have rocks. So my soil is very mineralized. Okay, we got some minerals. So I'm gonna put a little of this all-purpose fertilizer. I use 2 different kinds, fruit and vegetables, and the grass. And then my black gold, which is worm castings. I'll start it up with some more worm castings. Give it a good head start. Anywho, let's see. Spread some of these roots out. Make sure it's around it. And then I'll probably get the rest of this. Put it working in. We don't want to press too hard on it, but we do want to make sure she's in there out. Okay, so like that, and that is the second one. And it's a worm, so you know this good soil when you see the worms come out to play. Y'all see that worm is so skinny, I don't think y'all can see it, but yeah. So that's 2 down. Look at that good root system. I don't know if I gave y'all a close up of the other one. This is the spaghetti squash. And I'm gonna gently separate these 2 like I did those. And they so soft, I don't need water because it's so moist. Like that. Hopefully I'm in a shot. I'll show y'all how to separate already the easy way with water, but you also can separate if your growing medium is very moisturized and soft like mine. So you don't need water. That's just the easiest way. As long as you gentle, they will pull apart like they about to. I'm about to show you how easy it is to pull them apart. Very gently, boom. There's 2 of them. They separated. So I'm gonna plant one. How that looking? Let me give y'all close up. So that's how we looking so far. And then I got my spaghetti squash here. So that's how that look. So, girl, I look a mess. But they are so loud, y'all. Okay. Hopefully, I don't look too crazy. I got dirt on my hands, so I'm not trying to touch my hair. So I probably look like craziness. Hopefully y'all can even see me. Y'all know. Let me even see. Y'all probably can't even see me. Okay. Oh, here we go. Here we go with the noise. Hopefully I don't look too crazy. And I can't touch my hair right now because my hand's dirty. I would like to say, get it out the soil no matter what. Clearly, that's what I'm doing. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can know every time I drop. Share the video because sharing is caring and it's free. Over here we're not only teaching you how to get it out the soil, We're providing motivation, consistency, and dedication here on the channel. Drop in the comments what you're planning this winter in your garden bed or your in-ground garden. I would like to know. Fellow gardener, if you're a gardener, please comment down below. That's it for this video, and until next video, I'm gonna keep getting it out the soil, but peace. I'll see you in my next video. So I'm gonna be looking great, but that's how it goes. Anyway, that's enough of doing stupid stuff. They so loud. I'm so sorry. Anyway. Apparently the tomatoes is just dropping off the trees, girl. Okay, it's time to go for real. Peace. I'll see you in the next video. You want to say something to the people, Kane? Before I sign off? He said no, he never had none for you. Anyway.